Hi Zane, hi YouTube, hope you're all okay. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you something really special, or something I like to perform anyway. It is a nice card reveal and it looks something like this. Nine of diamonds. So for example, we have a card chosen, could be this one for example. 8 of clubs, place it back into the middle, any way you like. Give it a riffle. And then, so it's really cool. We're going to have a card selected, any card you like, this card. You can take it, place it into the middle. We want to bring it back to the top using your best method or whatever method possible. I'm just going to double undercut it, bring it back to the top, so now it's on top here. And now I'm going to riffle halfway down the deck, spread Phantom, and retain the top card. Okay, first things first, you want to learn how to spread cards like this, but with both hands. So you need to be able to do this or that. Whichever way round. From this position, as you can see, you're holding it between your pinky and your main finger. Your thumb's going to come down to the bottom right hand corner, and we're going to just push down, applying pressure and bringing your thumb upwards, and it will cause the cards to fan like that. Slower. And exactly the same with the other hand, so we're going to hold it there, bring the thumb over and spread. And now, after you've mastered that, and then you can suck off the doesn't sound too glamorous, but just pull off the top card. So you riffle half. Get ready, straight in this position, and then we're ready in this position as well also. So now we're going to fan off left hand, fan off right hand, come over and just peel off the top card. Okay, so when performing this, what you really want to do is what I do is I do this, and then bring the card, after bringing this card to my mouth, I bring the cards immediately down. So all the spectators' eyes go downwards with the cards, and they look back up to your face, and in shock, the cards being up here the whole time. It's a killer effect. I get mad responses from this. I've been using it forever. Hope you enjoy it, Zane. It's just a special one. I didn't want to share it, but it's going out there for you. Love you.